Hi everyone and welcome to the Freelance channel. My name is Florante. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade the RAM on your iMac. Right now, what I have is an iMac 27-inch with 8 gigabytes of RAM. And currently with the work that I do, since I'm focusing mostly on audio and video work, this is showing to be insufficient for the workload requirement that I have for this computer. So what I did is I bought an 8 gigabyte Crucial RAM from Lazada. Now if you're wondering why I did not upgrade the RAM on this computer when I purchased this, well, one of the main reasons why I didn't do that is because it's a lot more expensive if you're going to upgrade it when you purchase it from Apple. If you're going to purchase it from Lazada and do the upgrade by yourself, you're only going to spend about 2,000 plus or less than 3,000. So that will save you about 10,000. All right, let's go ahead and check this out. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'll go ahead and get the Mac on this towel, and I'll go ahead and install the RAM that we bought. Okay. So then there is a notch down here that you will just have to press. Okay, that section there. So we'll do Alright, so that is how to upgrade the RAM on your iMac. So I hope that helps. If you are making use of an iMac, it's really a good thing if you can upgrade to a higher RAM. Okay, so if you have any questions, please don't forget to leave those questions in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, I would appreciate if you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Once again, my name is Florante. Thank you so much for watching. Live the dream life without leaving the home. Have a good one.